Okay. Hello dear students, welcome back to your favorite channel PIT classes. So NEET examination result 2025 already మన ముందుకు వచ్చేసింది నానా. So also we know the cutoff for this 2025. Okay. So my dear students, ఆ NEET result వచ్చిన తర్వాత మేబీ మీలో చాలా మంది కృంగిపోయారు అనుకుంటా. మేబీ మీరు ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేసిన ర్యాంకింగ్ మీకు రాలేదు, మీరు ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేసిన రైట్ ఏదైతే స్కోర్ మీరు అనుకున్నారో సేఫ్ స్కోర్ అది మీకు రాలేదు అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఈవెన్ దో మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, if you are aiming, if you have a very good budget, right my dear student, if you are financially strong, then you have some low budget private medical colleges also my dear students, where you can afford. అంటే మీరు ఒకవేళ గవర్నమెంట్ కాలేజెస్కి బికాస్ కట్ ఆఫ్ మీకు రాకపోయినా మీరు అనుకున్న మీ ర్యాంక్ అచీవ్ చేయలేదు, సో మీరు అనుకున్న గవర్నమెంట్ కాలేజెస్లో మీకు రాలేదు, ఈవెన్ దో నా దగ్గర కొంచెం అయితే బడ్జెట్ ఉంది మ్యామ్, సో ఆ బడ్జెట్ నుండి నేను మేనేజ్మెంట్ సీట్కి వెళ్ళాలనుకుంటున్నాను అనేది ఒకవేళ మీ ఐడియా ఉంటే మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్, సో హియర్ దీస్ ఆర్ ద లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ సర్టన్ కాలేజెస్, సమ్ కాలేజెస్ వేర్ you can afford my dear students with the budget, the low budget that you have. Okay, so quick ga manam chusukundam nana. So today's point is, you know that 50% of the seats will be right for the private colleges from and 50% seats from the government colleges. Idu manaku telisinde, right? So last year ki compare cheste ee sari cut off aithe chala takkuga poyindi, because we know the difficulty level of the paper was very high nana kada. So lengthy paper undedi, logical questions unnai. So JEE mains level lo adigaru questions in the physics and chemistry and biology lo, it was very lengthy paper. So the complexity of the paper was very tough. That was one of the reason for the low cutoff. Second one vachesi enna, what is that, the number of students also compared to the last year, they were low who has attempted or who has written this examination. Okay, so here are certain colleges from some beautiful cities of India. The first one is Kerala nana. So Kerala lo meer chuskunnataithe Dr. Mupin's Medical College, Wayanad, a beautiful place, right? So ikkada manam college chuskunte my dear student, this was actually the cutoff of 593 last year cutoff idi, but ee year cutoff medu okavela chuskoni my dear students chusukunte ikkada MBBS seat 150 ఉన్నాయి. I'm talking about the management fees here, right? And then this is around 8,86,779 per year nana. So if you have this kind of the budget, ma'am, I have this kind of the budget where I can afford anukunte, then you can go to this college, that is the Wayanad lo. Alage similarly Pushpagiri Medical College, Tiruvalla, right? So ikkada MBBS seats vachesi 100 unnai nana, and this was the last year cutoff. Once again I am saying this was the last year cutoff, so you have to see the latest this year cutoff my dear student. Manaku telisina vishayame that since the number of students who has attempted this exam were less compared to the last year, and also right, the complexity, the toughness of this paper this year was high, so dani valla mana cut off aithe takve ochindi. So danni manam chuskoli almost 50 to 100 marks me reduce cheskunnataithe kuda my dear student, you can see the per year fees vachesi approximately 8,16,000 undana, right? Then you can calculate for the rest of the years. Similarly Mount Zion Medical College, okay, this college also has 150 seats. This is also in Kerala. So 150 seats una, you have to go through the cutoff. This again I'm saying this is the previous year's cutoff 596, where you have to bring it down, state wise cutoff chuskoni you have to bring it down, and then you can go with this 8 lakh per year my dear student. Then the Jubilee Mission Medical College of Thrissur, here also you have 100 seats my dear student, where and the cutoff is approximately 500 plus anundi. So this year it could be around 450 to 500 or maybe even less. Okay, and this also is 8,16,000 per year. So calculate for the remaining years my dear student. So that was about the Kerala. Now if you want to move to this Karnataka, beautiful state from where I belong to, that means right where I have settled down, Karnataka also has the beautiful medical colleges my dear student. So this one is the Kempugowda Institute of Medical Science. Okay, so last year cutoff was 590 plus, but this year cutoff will be very less nana. So 500 ranges lo kuda meekaithe seat vachestundi. Here you can see 250 are the medical seats here, and right, so 10 lakh, this is quite high from the Kerala. So approximately okvela మీరు చూసుకుంటే గనక 8 to 10 lakhs, this will be the normal range nana, right? So 2 lakhs fluctuation avadam common. So this is 10,92,852 per year. Okay, so that is what you have to see. Moving on to the next college in the Karnataka, MVJ Medical College. So here you can see, my dear student, so you have 200 medical seats over here, and the categories, cutoff and everything you have to see this year's, my dear. You know, this will go down, okay, because this year the cutoff is low, so it will go down, and the government fee is this, and the management fees manaku kavalsindi management fees. So management fees is 10,92,852 per year, right? So government seat okvela mee cutoff low vachesindi anukondi, that is happy kada, right? Moving on to the next one, BR Ambedkar Medical College. So BR Ambedkar Medical Colleges lo kuda, my dear student, you can see you have a 150 colleges, right? We are talking about the management quota, right? So the management fees is 10,92,852, almost the same, just like the previous one, right? The next city, I mean the state that we are talking about is the Chhattisgarh. Okay, Chhattisgarh lo Sri Balaji Institute of Medical Science, and here last year cutoff was 530. So this year cutoff will be lower than this, we know, right? So it will be approximately మీరు ఒకవేళ 420 413 ఇంటున్నా కూడా you are at the safer zone, and మీ management seat is ready, and fees కూడా you can see nana, this will be 7,50,000, right? So you can afford, compared to Kerala and Karnataka, this college is where you can feel if you can afford it, then you can go to this college. Similarly, Raipur Institute of Medical College, right? Medical Science, MBBS seats are 150. Cutoff is very, very low. Last year cutoff is 416 ana. So this year cutoff inka takku manaku telisina vishayame. So I believe that you can go to this kind of the colleges where you can afford it, and you can see the fees is 7,45,187 per year. Okay, so Kerala, Karnataka, these are little bit high cutoff undi, alage high fees kuda undi, and here you can see you have the low nana. Sri Shankaracharya of Medical Science, Chhattisgarh, here also you can see you have a 150 seats, okay, and again the cutoff is very low last year's, and this year it is ఇంకా low kada, and the fees is approximately 8 lakh per year. Moving on to the AP, the Andhra Pradesh, our own AP, right? Andhra Pradesh lo manam chuskundam nana, right? Pinamaneni Siddhartha Medical College. Okay, so ikkada manaku 250 medical seats unnai nana, right? And where are we? E 250 medical seats lo again you can see me quota okvela me cutoff chala takku ante, right, you are in a safer zone anukunte, right? Government quota chudandi just 15,000 per year, కానీ మనం ఇక్కడ మేనేజ్మెంట్ కోటా మాట్లాడుకుంటున్నాం కాబట్టి that is very quite high. This is 13,20,000 per year. ఇప్పుడు దాకా మనం చూసుకున్న కేరళ కానీ, కర్ణాటక కానీ, ఛత్తీస్గఢ్ కానీ, సో వాటిలో కంపేర్ చేస్తే this college is quite high. Okay, moving on to the next one, that is Katuri Medical College, Guntur, right? When Katuri Medical College, Guntur, the beautiful college, my dear student. So last year cutoff was 530, but now we know that this is gone down. So if you can afford it, again same, it is approximately 13,20,000 per year, right? Same. So ఇవన్నీ మనం ఒకవేళ చూసుకుంటే ఈ కాలేజెస్ యాక్చువల్గా ఆల్మోస్ట్ సేమ్ ఉన్నాయి నాన్న, 13 lakh అనేసి, రైట్? మహారాజ్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఆఫ్ మెడికల్ సైన్సెస్, విజయనగరం, రైట్? Vijayanagram, right? So that is 150 seats, and almost the fee is same in AP. So Tamil Nadu mundu, right? Yes, you can see Tamil Nadu, the beautiful place, Arunai Medical College and Hospital, Mathur, right? This college, again, we have 150 medical seats, right? Tiruvannamalai, right? Beautiful place, and you can see government quota lo okvela meedu oste cutoff meedi high ga undi, you can reach their expectations annappudu, then you can see, my dear student, per year it is 4,50,000, and if you want to go with the management seat, it is approximately 13,50,000 anna, right? This is 4,50,000 and management seat is 13,50,000. Cutoff is quite low, right? E year cutoff kuda తగ్గుతుంది కాబట్టి మీరు చెన్నైని కూడా చూసుకోవచ్చు నాన్న. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, పిఎస్జి ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఆఫ్ మెడికల్ సైన్స్, కోయంబత్తూర్. సో ఇక్కడ కట్ ఆఫ్ లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ దే 450 ఉంది. సో ఈసారి కూడా మనం చూసుకోవచ్చు అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ 380 to 400 420 రేంజ్లో. సో ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ ఫాలోయింగ్ ఇన్ దాట్ దెన్ యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ గో టు దిస్ కాలేజ్, పిఎస్జీ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఆఫ్ మెడికల్, తమిళనాడు, కోయంబత్తూర్. 250 MBBS సీట్స్ ఉన్నాయి అండ్ 13,20,000 is the what is that, the management seat, okay, per year. Indira Medical College and Hospitals, Tiruvallur. Okay, again here last year they మనం చూసుకోవచ్చు 429 was the cutoff, approximately 429 plus. So this year it will be quite low, మనకు తెలిసిందే. So 380 నుంచి మనం ఒకవేళ చూసుకున్నా, if you are falling into that, my dear student, then you can go with this. Okay, that is Tiruvallur College, and you have MBBS seats 150. You know that 50% will be the government and 50% will be for the private kada. So management quota 13,50,000 per year. Then you have Telangana, the Hyderabad, okay, right. I think this is also from the Tamil Nadu one only. Let us check it out. Arunai Medical College and Hospital, Mathur. I think this is somewhat repeated. MBBS seats 150 nana. So management quota 11,55,000 per year. Okay, then Telangana lo Mamta Academy of Medical Science, Bachpalli, right. Bachpalli lo వచ్చేటప్పటికి సో ఇక్కడ చూసుకోవచ్చు the management that is the what is that, the cutoff is for 60 plus. సో స్టేట్ వైజ్ మళ్ళీ ఇది తగ్గుతుంది కాబట్టి మీరు ఒకవేళ 380 390 400 410 ఆ రేంజ్ లో ఉన్నా కూడా you can afford this. So here you have 150 seats, right, and same 11,55,000 per year. Okay, right. Next one nana, Surabhai Institute of Medical Science, Siddipet, Telangana, right. Siddipet, Telangana, again you have see cutoff chala takkuga undi. So if you are falling into this range, ee year malli cutoff chala low ga veltundi kabatti, so iటువంటి colleges ni మీరు prefer చేసుకోండి nana. You have 150 seats, again the management quota is 11,55,000, almost the more or the less it is same. Apollo Medical College, Hyderabad. Okay, so Apollo Medical College, Apollo is a brand, we know, my dear students. Okay, so again cutoff ikkadiki vache quite ga high ఉంటుంది obviously because this is a brand. So you have 150 seats again here and the fees is almost 11,55,000 to 12 lakhs ఉంటుంది per year. Okay, moving on to the Maharashtra, Mumbai. Okay, here you have Ulhas Patil Medical College, Jalgaon, right. Cutoff is little bit high, 540 plus undi. So you can come down according to this year cutoff. The state wise cutoff kuda takkutundi. So you have 200 seats in this college and the management quota is 35. This is quite high, 35 lakh per year. Obviously it's a Maharashtra, right. Amchi, Mumbai. Let's move on to the next one. Atal Bihari Medical College, Pune, right. Here again you have 200 medical seats, my dear, and similar, right, 35 lakh per annum, right. Northeast, tell them Northeast, the beautiful places, my dear. Tripura Medical College, right, Tripura. So ikkada మనం చూసుకుంటే లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ కట్ ఆఫ్ చాలా తక్కువగా ఉంది, that is 470 plus. So ఈ ఇయర్ ఇంకా తక్కువకి వెళ్తుంది నాన్న, right. You can just see the 100 medical seats ఉన్నాయి and this is 10 lakh per year, the management seat. PA Sangama International Medical College and Hospital, Baridua, Riboy, Meghalaya. సో చూస్తేనే చాలా బాగుంది ఈ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ కదా. మేఘాలయ రీజన్లో ఉన్న ఈ ఏరియాలో ఒకవేళ మీరు చూసుకుంటే కట్ ఆఫ్ ఇస్ వెరీ లెస్ అండ్ దిస్ ఇయర్ కట్ ఆఫ్ అగైన్ యూ కెన్ కమ్ డౌన్ మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్. 150 సీట్స్ యూ హ్యావ్, 18 lakh per year is the management quota. So these were only few colleges that we have collected, my dear students. Inka vere colleges kuda unnai nana. So where you can go with the management seats you have if you can afford it. Okay, so hope this will be helpful. So again I'm telling you, this was actually the previous year's cutoff, my dear students, where you can keep this year cutoff in your mind, bring it down approximately 50 to 100 marks less. Okay, and then if your marks are ranging in between those, then you are eligible, you can go and get the admission in these medical college. Hope this is helpful. Thank you.